I just want people to observe this.
What the hell?
The whole gluteus maximus just sticking out there. The dental floss. I'm sure the airport staff's gonna be amused. Hey, at least they won't have to check that spot. All of our belongings in one bag there. Whoa, she's just flashing that thing at me.
Stop using me as clickbait.
I can't. You're wearing all black. It's just showing up as a black spot.
Oh, well, that's good then. Look at that.
This is like a 60-40 split, like the truck seats. That's 60% hers. Actually, it's gonna be more like 20-80. 80% hers, 20% my stuff. When you go away, that's how that works.
That's right.
This is gonna be more like a documentary. We're flying out to San Francisco area, somewhere there. Go to a wedding. I did rent a car.
Nothing spectacular.
She thinks it's nothing spectacular. She didn't know what I rented, I guess.
For California, my husband's recording me while I record him while we're talking. He's a YouTuber. So, yeah.
The kiddies know we're leaving. We're only leaving for a couple days, kiddies. Your grandmama will take care of you. Your grandmama take care of you. Yeah, that's okay. There's a spider on my windshield. Oh, I never flew out of this dinky airport. Oh. Don't you tell me.
Come on, let's get going. You're such a procrastinator.
You're whatever. You're yelling at me. Never been in a smaller plane. It's not made for people my size. She's fine. I'm smushed in here. Why do you have to walk like 5 miles to get to your connecting?
Starbucks.
You just swear when you too.
I said
That's a swear word.
not.
Yes, it is. Dang. You want to say dang?
You just
gotta
need
walk
to be
like-
a little more fruity.
You gotta walk like 5 miles. I got a mask on. It's restricting my breathing
You're all right.
to get to a connecting flight in Philly. Almost 6 hours.
Current weather condition now in San Francisco. They're having light rain showers.
So I need to hurry up because I'm hungry, she's hungry. We've been on a flight for 6 hours. I rented a 2011 WRX, not an STI, it's just WRX 5-speed hatchback. I've never driven one. This thing was a blast to drive here. It's actually, it's pretty nice. Leather, I like it. And it's got like a short throw shifter, cob tune. Very nice. I'd be lying if I didn't say this makes me miss my WRX a little bit. This one runs better than mine did, that's for sure. Of course, this is an 11, so they have a bigger turbo on these ones than the 08 and 09 had. I don't know, yeah, they were a good bit more horsepower. She's not impressed. All right, this is only a full day. We're staying here. We got up at 5 o'clock. Well, I did, and then I made her get up. Ha ha. Well, 5 o'clock here is 9 o'clock back home, so it was time to get up. Been really enjoying that WRX though. It really does make me miss mine, but I don't know. Maybe we'll find another one at auction. If I were to get another WRX, this would be it. The hatch, wide body, I like it.
First Kohl's or Target?
Target.
Burr.
Okay, listen. I cannot lie to you. I'm ready to go back to Pennsylvania. Okay, so we went to Walmart because she forgot a razor. So we're in the razor section. Well, I walk past the lube and it's locked in a case. I'm like, that's weird. So the razors are too. So you have to go find somebody to unlock the razors so that you can get one. Then they put it in a lockbox and hand it to you so that you can't get it out until you get to the register where they unlock it again. That's exit. So we get the razor, pay for it, then they have to go find somebody to unlock it out of the box that they put it in. I think more importantly, we should be asking the question, why is lube locked? Why do we have to have a lock on lube?
And deodorant.
And deodorant. But yeah, but the lube is concerning. What are you guys doing in California with lube? Puppy! Oh, look at the puppy!
Okay, shivering.
He's cold. We got a jacket on. I want to go play on the bouncy house thing over here, but my wife told me no. I don't. I know it's in a vacation, but it could be. They got a big slide in like Corn Cob Bouncy Palace. Come on. We found about the most extravagant thing here at Kohl's in California, and I talked Ashley into trying it on. You guys are gonna love it. What? There's a lot of laughter. There's a lot of laughter going on in there.
Was my phone in the car?
Yeah, I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what you
I'm
do.
freaking out a little bit. Oh, here it is.
Oh my.
I found it.
Just come out. Just. You like that. You wear that to Move your hands. This car makes all the right noises, especially when you're getting on the highway. Look, this would be a nice bathroom and all, but just look at this.
Stop it.
And look at this. I have a business meeting right now that has to take place right now. Yo, how you doing? Business meeting adjourned. And now the whole reason we came here. Oh, look at her. And guess what, guys?
Look at him.
You can polish a turd. Would you look at?
And I dressed him.
Yeah, she picked all my clothes out, so yeah, she polished a turd.
I did. I sure did. It's a shiny turd right now.
I don't like that. I don't think that was a good description. You know what? Honestly, I'm glad that we're not staying here that long. We're only here for we got here yesterday. We're here for the full day. We're leaving tomorrow morning. It's not really a nice area.
No.
She thought about making it a mini vacation. I'm glad we didn't.
Me too.
Because this would, I'm like, what would we have done here? It's kind of crappy.
Yeah.
Besides the wedding and having a fun car to drive, that's it. And I have fun cars to drive at home.
And we got coffee.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can get coffee at home. We can get better coffee at home.
That's true.
Yes. So. We know. We're going out the door. We're getting ready to go.
You didn't even tell them what you just did.
I'm a lot.
He walked over here. He went and he left. I was like farting like that.
At least I don't have pants like that on. Look, you cannot ignore butt cheeks in those. It's like if I was wearing those. If I was wearing those, I'd get arrested.
Hey, I work hard for the butt.
Okay.
And
yeah, me
like
too.
And you like it.
Me too.
You like my booty cheeks.
Do I? Yeah, baby. Yeah. Back to the airport we go. I'm gonna switch lanes here. So it turns out this thing is tuned. There's a Cobb tuner in the armrest. So that's probably why it pulls a lot harder than mine did. It explains a lot. So leave it to me.
Yes.
I thought that we were a lot closer to the airport than we were, and we had to book it. And the guy was a Turo driver, or Turo.
He got us here.
Yeah, he got in that car and drove us here. Well, of course, he knows the car better than I do, but yeah, he got us here quick.
I just know I got pee.
So, we're gonna make the flight.
The bladder hurts.
Oh. What sucks the most?
That's the illy coffee I was talking about.
What sucks the most about this is we lose a whole day
Yes.
in transportation today.
That's what I was talking about.
We don't get home till 10 o'clock, well, to State College, and then we have to drive an hour, so 11 o'clock.
That's the coffee I was.
Supposed to be in State College about an hour and a half ago. We're in Philadelphia now because our plane couldn't land in State College, and we got here and the whole runway was lined with fire trucks and stuff ready for us. It was kind of like a congratulations, you made it to the ground, kind of like celebration, like a parade. But now they took us off our plane and they're putting us on another one and sending us back. I'm real happy about that. Are you happy about that? I'm not happy.
I'm just happy we don't have to stay overnight and drive. Let's just positive
Well,
thoughts.
if we get there and it doesn't land,
Positive thoughts.
I'm not happy. It's already late, and now it's going to be really late. And then I got an hour drive. So yeah, this is a really weird airplane on our way back to State College. Yeah, so they couldn't fly us to State College. So then they told us there's no rooms available in Philly for us. So it's basically sleep in the airport. I guess you can't really see my face. It's fine. It's either sleep in the airport or rent a car and drive home. So we had trip insurance, thankfully, so this should be covered. But Jesus Christ hurts. What we had to pay, it was like $300, but then they had to charge $200 over top of that until you return the car back. So $500 for a Honda Civic for one day? That sounds wonderful. Yeah, thanks. Thank you. The cats are so hyped that we're home. Where's your sister? Oh no, he's about to go on the attack. Oh, there she is. Oh, you meanie. Why are you two at each other? You should just be happy we're home. Are you happy? She's happy. Get him. Get him. She did. I told her to get him. She ran after him. Good doggy. Good doggy. So, we did make it home last night at 4, well, I should say last night. This morning at 4:30 in the morning. The Infinity title made it. I got parts. Here's the armrest. Look at this. Recovered. Well, it's not a recovered. It's like a brand new armrest for the Civic. That's nice. There's somebody that wants to buy the Civic already. Or yeah, the Civic, the Accord. Sorry, I'm tired. We slept until 11 o'clock since everything went down. We didn't get home too late. Don't you get in that sink? I see you sniffing. So last night we rented this and drove that home from Philly. So now I have to go to State College to get my Z at the airport, and I guess I can return that there. So, yeah, nice. All in all, not a bad ride. The CVT is very blah. It kind of sucks, but it got really good gas mileage, so that's nice for a rental. And it was very expensive to rent. But still, $300 for a day? Get out of here for a Civic. But anyways, that's going to be the end of our trip. End of this video. So if you guys like this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next episode. Alright. I heard our little angels are being bad. You being a bad boy? Huh? Is you being a bad girl? As soon as I walk in, they straighten up. 'Cause they know daddy don't take no crap. Huh? Daddy don't take no crap. Yeah. See, it's okay. Just be good. You being good for Daddy? Say bye-bye.